All right, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 23, collisions. So this says more collision blocks. 3 new types of sprite interactions have been added to the toolbox: sprite collide, sprite bounce, and sprite bounce off. How do you think they'll affect the sprites? Do this. Switch out the displaced block for the new blocks one at a time to see what each one does. Show me where. Okay, right there. Fabulous. So hint, if you're having trouble doing this with blocks, then switch over to text mode. Discuss with a neighbor. What is the difference between the 4 different sprite interactions? What do you think the purpose of each block is? All right, so right now we have parrot.displacePenguin. All right, so the parrot is shoving the penguin off the screen. Well, that's very sad. So now let's try, what's the next one? Collide. All right, so we're going to do parrot collide with penguin. All right, and so we'll take that out, run, or just reset my internet again. Man, today is a fun day. All right, let's do that again. Collide. All right, parrot, penguin. All right, did it. Here we go. Oh, okay, so now the penguin is pushing the parrot off. All right. Okay, so next is going to be the bounce. So we're going to say parrot bounces off of the penguin. Oh, wow. That's fun. All right, and last but not least, we have bounce off. So the parrot is going to bounce off of the penguin. Oh, there he goes. All right, so that's all we had to do for level 5. That was pretty easy. Discuss with your neighbor or your ducky. What is the difference between the 4 different sprite interactions? Why do you think, or what do you think the purpose of each block is? So have fun with that discussion. I will see you on level 6. Here we go.